All right, we have 2 packages of our Knorr Mexican rice. Now I'm gonna add 1 rotisserie chicken that we went ahead and shredded, and it has a little bit of seasoning, just pepper and salt. We're adding that entire thing right into our 9 by 13 with our rice. Perfect. Now I am gonna add some taco seasoning, and I'm using the 25% less sodium, just cutting the sodium where I can. But we're gonna use this whole packet of seasoning, and don't worry, we will make sure to spread everything out. All right, yum. That looks perfect. Now for some extra flavor, I have my chunky salsa. Now, as you can probably tell, this is a Mexican inspired dish. It is so yummy. You have that delicious rice that has like the noodles in it as well. It has tons of flavor in that, tons of flavor in the taco seasoning, and then this salsa just really takes it home. All right, perfect. Now I am gonna add my favorite cheese, the Colby Jack, but you could add a Mexican cheese, you could add whatever cheese you like, but like I said, I'm adding my favorite, and we're using that whole entire bag. The recipe did call for 2 cups, but I feel like 8 ounces, which is 1 cup, is plenty. Now we're gonna add 30 ounces of chicken broth, and that's gonna help cook that rice on the bottom, but also just add a lot of moisture to this dish. And we're just making sure to pour our 2 cans out fully. Perfect. All right, it's time to give this a mix, and we want to make sure that everything gets mixed together, fully combined. We want to make sure that taco seasoning gets spreaded out so that it can season up the entire dish, but this smells absolutely delicious. And because we pre-cooked that chicken, it should, come together very fast. So delicious, such an easy dinner that anyone can make. Everything is just ready to go. You just dump and bake. Okay, I think that looks pretty good.
Ooh, it looks delicious.
Yeah, just make sure all that chicken gets nice and tucked in there. Beautiful. We are gonna cover this up so that it can get nice and steamy in there. All right, that looks perfect. Now my oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for about 35 minutes. All right, we are ready. I'm gonna take this off. Oh my, it looks perfectly cooked, but we are not done yet. The best part of this is our white queso that we heated up in the microwave that we're pouring right on top of our rice. So extra cheesy, extra delicious rice. Go ahead and spread that on top. Oh my goodness. I mean, come on. Doesn't that look absolutely delicious?
Ooh, yeah, I want the first bite.
You wish. All right. We're just making sure that every bite gets a little bit of that delicious white queso. Obviously, this is for cheese lovers. So if you don't love cheese, this is not for you. You should probably scroll on because my page has a lot of cheese, but I'm ready to enjoy this. I mean, come on.
Yum.
Yummy in my tummy.
Is it good?
Oh my gosh, that is absolutely delicious. You're gonna love it.